So I'm checking out this slim mouse pouch today. A brand sent me this to kind of check out because they know I got some laptops and little baby mouses like this for the laptops. And you know the struggle of losing these things while traveling, or even from room to room, you forget where your mouse went, or you have a daughter that takes it, something like that. So mouse pouch is going to come in handy. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. This is what it's going to look like. And what we're going to do with it, at least where I'm going to put it, is right here on the top of the laptop. So whenever I open it up, it'll be right here. Go ahead and get there's a little plastic, comes right off. See there? And then the adhesive. So you can see it's on there. Real solid now. Not going to go anywhere. I'm going to take my mouse. I'm going to stick it right in the pouch. Check that out. It's not going anywhere. See? I'm going to have it upside down. Still not going to go anywhere. The elastic is really nice. The adhesive sticks really well. So during travel or anything like that, it's not going to go anywhere. And going room to room, and you don't have to know where your mouse is anymore. You don't have to guess where your mouse is anymore. See, and open it up. Oh no, where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. Slide it right out. It's good to go. Done with it. Slide it back in. Or I guess you could, you could slide it in the other way as well. Very useful if you have a need for that kind of thing. If you're moving your laptop around a lot, you don't feel like carrying your mouse with you, or you lose it because you're moving around a lot. Pretty good little thing. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.